press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
I have the man who is the driving force behind Syska. Sir, so lovely to have you here and very interesting and engaging conversation. For you personally, what were the key takeaways?
See, before I talk about my key takeaways, it is important to thank all you guys, IWM Buzz team. I think it's a fantastic show.
Thank you.
I think, as far as, your key takeaways are concerned, I think maybe I have a point of view as a marketer or as a brand, but I think it is also important to understand, what your fellow stakeholders are talking about. I think so. I think it is a fantastic opportunity to come and meet all your stakeholders, talk to them, maybe have a discussion around different perspectives, about branding, marketing, media, broadcasting. So much today. I mean, like, seriously, so much that has happened today. So I think my key takeaway is that keep on having healthy discussions. I think that's important, and and you should be open about certain feedback as well.
Right.
So I think kudos to you guys again, and hopefully we'll see you again next year, next season. Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah. So talking about advertising, branding, and marketing, do you see the digital space opening up specifically for your brands to reach out to the consumers in a larger space?
See, I think yes, I think digital is important. I think no denial on that part. And as a brand, Syska also, you are trying to, impact. I think not only your, evolved customers, but also customers, who are going to be, your future customers as well, as the time goes by. And for that, digital is the way, right? So, and I think we are also in the company trying to figure out, okay, what all new mediums we are supposed to use, what all new products also we should come and explore in the market, right? So I think in that regard, I guess we are very much on the track, and hope to have a bigger bucket of the customers in the near future.
Okay.
So let's see. Let's be hopeful that we are light years ahead. That's my group philosophy.
Light years ahead. I love the word that you use. Shweta, she has one question.
Talk about the changes. What change you find from last few years in this TV series or TV era, you can say?
TV era? Okay, no, that's quite a question, lady. I think, that's my personal take. I think nothing offensive. It is just that, I think TV audience are no more, audiences, which used to earlier come and have an appointment viewing session, oh wow, Sunday is coming, I'll sit and spare my whatever 1 or 2 hours of time. So I think that aspect has gone now because, certain replicas are available in the online space. So you are comfortable in terms of whatever suits you in terms of your time. You are still going and snacking those contents, right? But how long this will stay in this same fashion, I am not too sure about it though, because a lot of experiments are happening, a lot of sub-genres are evolving, maybe not very much appealing to me personally, but if they are getting created, there is an audience for that, right? So I think it's good. I mean, like, you are in a situation wherein you have 500 or 600 odd channels today, so many languages coming and talking to you. So I think TV is becoming bigger than what it was maybe 5 years back you spoke about. So I think yes.